2016 Toyota Sienna Limited. I'm going to show you how to change this front fog light right here. It's not that difficult. You're going to need a 10mm socket or some kind of wrench to get a 10mm off. Okay, in order to access the back of the fog light from this direction, we're going to go underneath in front of the front wheel, the passenger side wheel, and there's this air dam here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts that you have to remove, and this one helps too because it just gives you some more room to work. So remove all of those. Okay, once you get all 4 screws out, you can see you have a lot of area to play here. You can pull this down and you got to reach up behind to access the bulb. And I don't know if this is focusing or not, but you have to turn the bulb counterclockwise and pull it out. And it hangs there. This bends down pretty easy. You probably can do this without jacking up the car. I just thought it might be a little bit easier to do with the car being jacked up. Now, once you have the bulb down, there's a little tab right here. I don't know if you can see it focused. You can press that in. I only have one hand today, so let me see if I can just put this right here. And one hand, press it in with your thumb and pull, and it should come right off. There you go. I don't know if you could see that or not, but that's what it looks like when you pull it out. And then all you have to do, this one I already replaced, so I'm not going to do that. It snaps right back into place. Let me see, this, I believe it's, yeah, it's this way. So you plug it right back in this way. It'll snap, and then you reach up, fiddle around till you get it lined up, turn it clockwise, and it goes right in like that. There you go.